GTools have sets of sturdy metal drawer dividers that fit perfectly into the standard drawers of their rolling systems. A very useful option. Each set comprises of 5 vertical bars with multiple slots for the 8 insert dividers. Each set has 2 vertical bars that are for the side of the drawer and 3 for the interior of the drawer. Adjustable slots in the divider bars allow for many combinations of spaces of 4 columns down your drawer with 3 spaces in each column, so 12 spaces in total. There are other sets for even taller drawers. The variable options in size of each space allows for many combinations. Drawer organizers allow you to separate a range of large and small items in your drawers and keep them organized. You can use these dividers in other systems as they have drill holes to mount permanently if required using screws or rivets, but the minimum footprint required is 395 mm wide by 400 mm deep by 60 mm high. Contact GTools to get one.